Hello there, welcome to Hallowed Moments, powered by Hallowed Homes Limited. With me, Bennett Kenyan, sir. We are your trusted partner when it comes to real estate, when it comes to property management, when it comes to everything housing. Hallowed Homes got you covered. Today, we'll be giving you 7 tips you need to know when moving into any rental unit in Ghana. Yes, 7 tips that you need to abide, you need to follow when moving into any rental property or any rental unit in Ghana. Tip number 1, look for a professional agent. Yes, get a professional agent. A professional agent will save you time, will save you cost, and will take you to the right property that you need. Yes, so get a required agent, certified agent that has been recommended by somebody. It will save you time, it will save you the stress. Tip number 2, always inspect the property with someone. When you are visiting a property that you want to move into, a property that you want to hire, a property that you want to rent, always go with someone. Don't go alone. Go with someone, go with a trusted partner and inspect the property. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3, never make payments on the first day. No, it is wrong. When you visit the property, don't make payment on the first day. Make payment after 2 or 3 visits. Then you can make payments. Tip number 4, visit the property more than once. Yes, go first, go second, probably add a 3rd visit, and a 4th visit will kill all your curiosity, all your questions, and all your doubts about the said property. Never visit the property once and make payments. Tip number 5, always insist on a signed document. Whatever you will do, whatever attachment or whatever the landlord or the person in charge of the property has agreed to do to the said property, always agree that it should be documented. Maybe they are fixing in some new attachment, some new washrooms, whatever it is, let it be documented. Don't just move based on hearsays. Everything must be documented. Tip number 6, insist on a written tenancy agreement. Don't go for verbal agreement, because yes, you can be okay today, but tomorrow issues may arise. So sign a tenancy agreement with the landlord or with your tenant. Don't go on verbal agreement, because the terms may change and there may be disputes. But if it is written, signed by both parties, it is always there, binding, and the witnesses are always there to confirm that which has been signed and that which has been agreed to. Tip number 7, before you move into any facility or before you allow any tenant to move into your facility, always realize you need to take pictures and videos of the said facility before you are moving in. So it is before and after. Before and after. Take pictures, take videos of all the facility. Go around the building, go around the facility, take pictures, take videos of the facility before you move in. It would help you for your future. These are the 7 tips you need to abide by when finding a renting unit in Ghana. Powered by Hallowed Homes. You can follow us on all of our social media platforms right on your screen. You can contact us on the number on your screen. Follow us. Let's get interactive. Send us your thoughts, send us your comments, send us your observations on this Hallowed moment. Powered by Hallowed Homes Limited.